this video, I am going to tell you about MS Office. What is MS Office and why we use it in simple and easy word. Let's talk. MS Office was developed by Microsoft. It was launched by Bill Gates on 8 August. It is a family of software and services. MS Office is a suite of applications designed to help for completing common tasks on a computer. You can easily create documents containing text and image, work with data in separate sheet and database, even create presentation and poster. Let's talk about its type. It has basically 7 types, but the 3 major types are MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and the other are MS Access, MS OneNote, MS Outlook, MS Publisher. Let's talk about its definition in simple word. MS Word. MS Word is a full-feature word processing document. It is also called documentation software. It is used to create document, letters, resume, etc. And the other is MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet software. It is also a kind of database software. It is used for storing data, calculation, graphic tool, pivot table, data filtration, and the validation. And the next one is MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a slide presentation software. It is also a kind of small animation software. It is used for presenting any text, picture, or slide with audio and video in animation. The next one is MS. MS Access is a database management software. It has advanced features than MS Excel. It can be used for storing, manipulating, updating data, and making report, etc. And the other is MS OneNote. MS OneNote is a free-form note-taking software. It can be used to note on any important information and maintain it. And the next one is MS Outlook. MS Outlook is an email software. It can be used to send, receive, and to maintain multiple email accounts. And the last one is MS Publisher. MS Publisher is an entry-level desktop publishing software. It is mainly used for page layout and design rather than text formatting. Thanks for watching.